Hello guys, this is Ivan here. We are trading with my strategy number 3 live. I have taken 2 trades. One is GBP USD on 4 hour and what is Canadian JPY. So here we have taken the trade. How and why I've been taking this trade, it is secret, of course, because this is my private secret strategy. I'm using it every day, at least few times. I have good setup and I'm entering. So I will give you a quick explanation of what is in. So my strategy number 3 is my private system based on price action. What is important, it is very easy to learn even if you are a new trader. So practically after you get all materials, you will learn it in one day. Then only what you need, it is a practice, a week or 2, depends if you are a new trader or more experienced, because the rules are, guys, really simple. After you demo it, then you go live, guys, you will trade as a pro. Believe me, you will forget everything else. You will forget all indicators, everything. You will just use this and make money every day. Really, it is not just saying, it is every day. Of course, you will get training video, 40 minutes or so, in which you will find all the rules, how I am using it, when to enter, what is the stop loss, take profit, everything. And you really, guys, if you want, spend some time to learn, you will trade as a pro. It is much better than depending on every even the best possible indicators and expert advisors. In this case, you have all in your hands. You are your own boss, guys. And why not to learn? It will change your trading life. Not only trading, but private life. Because every day you can make, I don't know, if you took few trades, you can make minimum $500 and more. You see, I put take profit here to 200 here, and on GBP USD I put it on 500. So only these 2 trades, if we win, we can make $700, and it is enough for me personally. It is okay. Make 700 or so almost every day, because someday maybe you have only 1 trade or 2. Some days you will have 5 trades or even 10, depending on the market situation. But it is guaranteed, guys. I can guarantee all of you, after you learn it, you will make thousands and thousands dollars every week, every month, every day in future now, from now. It is so easy. Why not learn? Why don't you try to be a normal, real pro trader? Of course, you will not make millions if you don't invest here, I don't know, $100,000 and trade with a big lot size. Here it is also big size, but you see I have 5,000, and this 2 lot size I'm not using, let's say, to put it here and wait. I'm satisfied with this, with 500, 300, 400, and that's it. This is my strategy number 2, but you know probably that this is not available. But today I can help with a special promo. I know maybe it seems to you that my strategy is maybe too high priced, but guys, you will return this investment in one trade, practically one trade, at least in one day. Also, what I'm offering you is training 1-to-1. So if you are not sure that you can learn it yourself, but it's very easy, I can give you teaching, training 1-to-1. If you contact me, we can arrange few days, few hours, whatever you like. We can trade together. I will explain everything, and then you are 100% safe to trade as a pro, guys. Believe me. It is only your decision if you want to learn one time in your life, or if you want to buy non-stop complicated indicators, extra advisors, everything. Okay, they are good extra advisors. There is also on my web page you can find very good indicators. You see, this is trading on Bitcoin daily. We are in slight minus with V20 plus, but everything it is showing that we are going to make money, because this is the best one, and I also very safely is using it, but only because I cannot watch my charts all days here. I am very busy, so I enter maybe few trades per day here if I have time. Otherwise, I left my extra advisor, this one and this one. This is one of my three favorite ones, which I am using, but I just let it go. Whatever I make, I am satisfied, but I am most satisfied when I use my strategy and I see price action here and I enter a nice trade here. You see, it is going fantastic. Also, I forgot to mention that the best seller and the best extra advisor, if you really like to use it, is Trendy Trader. You see, only today I have several small trades with few pairs, and I'm already in some profit. You see that Euro USD now is on third trade, scalping method. We are using the scalping method here. Also, this is expert advisor I believe in, so this is Trendy Trader, the best trend expert advisor in market. This is V20 plus, and this is my third one, Turbo Hybrid Trader. And you can count on it. It will really make the money for you. But still, guys, my opinion is that the best way is you use my strategy and you make money with it. So I'm really trying to help, guys. This day, it is Monday, you can get it for only €167. €167, and as a gift I will give you also my strategy number 2, which you see it is not here anymore. My strategy number 2, guys, it is it. You see, it is not available on my web page anymore, but I will give you it for free. Really, I want to help, but only if you use today my promo and buy and take. This is not a good word, to buy, to invest in your knowledge, to invest in your learning knowledge, your trading experience. So this is 167 euro, and you get my strategy number 2 also as a bonus. So it's only up to you, whatever you like. If you don't like to learn, then I really must recommend my V20 Plus Trader, Trendy Trader, and Turbo Hybrid Trader. We have a special promo offer, valid still today. If you want to use to get it, contact me and you will get a special promo offer for my expert advisors. So guys, sorry I was maybe too long, but I really want to help that you learn trade, not only use expert advisors indicators. Even my expert advisors are working very good, but I think that it's always better to learn. Let's say all sayings, learn to catch a fish, don't buy fish. So this is it. So one more time, 167 for my strategy number 3, and you get, guys, this my strategy number 2 for free. This is my last really offer for my strategies. In future you will not see any offers, at least next 6 months. No special offers for any my strategies, especially number 2. This is not available anymore. But from now, even for my strategy number 3, you can buy it here always, no problem. But only this price is possible after today. So today 167 plus bonus my strategy number 2. And please, if you like this promo, contact me and we'll give you this promo immediately. So you have, it is here about 3 o'clock p.m. afternoon, so more 8 hours, or today you can use this really fantastic offer. Guys, sorry for this long video. I really just want to help with these promos. And if you want to learn, and if you want to trade as a pro, this is your opportunity now. And if you want to save, then save today too. Have a nice day and bye bye.